Welcome back to Balabas Gist. My wonderful people, come hear this information. If you are planning to buy car for inside Imo State, abeg go see this update. They very important. Where they come from our brother, where they come Osonkwa, because many people don't fall for this one wey they talk. Where this thing they come on now for inside Lagos, for place where they call, if they go Ijabode, if they go Ogun State. Now where this thing they come on, where for that side. No be only for Imo State, for Nigeria as e stand. If you see any motor, anything where they post online say they want sell, and the location where they give you na when lonely place dey, no go that place only you. Make sure say you go there with security, or you call the person to bring the thing closer to where people go dey. My people, if you carry your two leg enter inside that place, so now be say your own don go. I go play the video, make you watch. Just stay tuned and watch the full video before we come back and continue.
Very important information. Makande na azu second hand motor, second hand keke, second hand bicycle, second hand motorbike, second hand keke bus, second hand taxi, second hand this, second hand that. Geho ha 19 second hand, fairly used. Na Facebook. Ha sigi bia wa Ngor Okpala. Agakwala. Gekwa muntu ozo. Anything second hand, fairly used motor, fairly used keke, fairly used bicycle, fairly used motorbike, fairly used keke bus, fairly used taxi, fairly used anything. Ana agba. Give all the number they were there on Facebook or anywhere on social media. Sigi bia wan Ngor Okpala. Ni rute Ngor Okpala, jigi di moto, mo jigi di this, jigi di that. Agakwala. Ndawu organ harvesters. Ndawu organ harvesters. Eba na-eme ihe awu igafe Ngor, gini umuneke Ngor, this police station na umuneke Ngor Okpala. Igafe gafe one Assemblies of God Church. Gawazia ihe gatara ebe ahụ n'ishigi. Ihe gatara dia n'ishigi. Hem na-enye gị na authentic information. Fairly use gafe ha na ala Owerri. Fairly use gafe ha na within Owerri municipal. Fairly use gafe ha na within Owerri municipal. Up or outside Owerri, don't go. Up or outside Owerri, don't go. My information like I enye, and information I enye so that you safeguard yourself and save yourself from unnecessary attack, unnecessary problem and evil. That is the information we give you. And when you know bishop, only one man ask you bishop. I'm a guy name here again. Na side Ngor Okpala ebe ahụ. Data ya batago na table anyị. Data the man has landed on our table. Data the man has landed on our table. Otu aka ha chọrọ ishi wụrụ one man na nwaanyị ya mkpụrụ obi ha. Wụrụ ha their liver. Wụrụ ha their kidney. Fairly used. The man apack ego Chineke medere ebere. The guy no where the smart. Because on a follow my page. So, all guy do me very well. Keje who fairly use keke bus. Agafe cha shia poto la kwa ya ba fe police station. Oba fele Assemblies of God. Ya ba biawa. Ya kwoshi no nwere onye a ga-send. A ga-send mmadụ onye ahụ send onye machine ahụ. Onye machine ahụ ebutezie ye ebe the fairly use keke bus no. Mgbe ka o ji mara na Awụsa ba aloka. Always be security alert. Be security conscious. Watch your side. Watch your movement. Watch movement around you. Watch your environment. Be calculative. Anything, your instinct, this is no longer it. Give repo. Your defensive mechanism will kick in. Now got a anything fairly used, I say be one Ngor Okpala, don't go. Anything fairly used, I say happy imo Owerri. Put our side Owerri. Biawa mako hubi. Biawa rogbe. Biawa ebu. Biawa ebe. Don't go. Obru no nya ha ga ebu puta fairly used ah n'ime Owerri. Ebe ohaneze ga ahụ gị na ya na abanya ya hafu. Ejikwele na ọ dị cheap. Gi je gbuo onwe gị. Ejikwele na ọ dị cheap. Gi je gbuo onwe gị. Then ndu muneke Okpala ndị ebe ahụ police station nọ na Assemblies of God ahụ nọ. Anyị nụrụ na such things are happening around there. Otu aka esi akpọrọ ndị chọrọ izu fair use kpọrọ ha ganga ahụ gụsha ha mkpụrụ obi na umeji. Na Bishop Owashi nwe church ka Bishop Owu na-enweghị church. We are trying to gather more information about that man. Ka anyị mara original name ya. Ka anyị mara aha ya. Be very careful. Nke ahụ sikwa ndị Fulani. Ke ọkwa ndị Okpala. Ihe ọkwa ndị Igbo. Ondemegeke. Ị ga-akwa mecha na ị ga-ahụkwa maybe PG Okpala ma ọwụ people from there. That is a lie. There is nothing like that in our community. But you know it's happening. But I'm also quite being exposed now. Get pota, watch it away your community. Every evil is thriving. Be careful. Fairly use this, fairly use that. I think if a woman I can go cross assemblies. Gabiawazia straight. Don't go. Ekuchakwam. Okwe kambo. Okwe ndibo. Nkita nche ndibo. Ekukwe munkechi simzie unu. Ndewono.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, you don't see Amo and hear wetin this our brother talk. Another information dey grand. If you dey forward, you see any motor wey be black and black tinted, abeg may you no enter this shuttle bus wey dey for Imo State. Another update still dey grand though. We dey get information say that the northern Nigeria, another territory don come out for there, but I dey ask them why they no call am Mohammed. Now they call am Mahamudu, abi Mahamaju. As it start like this now, the new terrorists will come outside for inside north. They don already buy 15 people for inside that place. We can't dey get another update wey dey for our table here as we dey talk. They say that the northern Fulani leaders, whether they call me Etiala, don't come outside. Say that the Nigeria should provide security for cow. See, as these people, they buy people for inside Benue State, and they no get anything to call, no conscience, no remorse, nothing. But the government should give them protection for cow. This is what these people are talking. I'm asking, which way are we going? These people have set Nigeria to stone age very soon, that nobody will not understand where we they go for this country. I beg go now be the update we dey for our table. Now we say we carry and come share am with our jolly people. Make una dey share the video and make sure say you dey follow this channel for more updates as it dey happen. Don't forget to see there for Balabajis as they watch. Make sure you share the video so that other people go to get information and know how it dey go.